So let's discuss dictionary comprehensions. So do here, as we are doing list comprehensions, we will do dictionary comprehensions. So let's say we are having a list of some numbers, like we are having even numbers and odd numbers here. So we will say we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 numbers here. So for doing dictionary comprehensions, we will use uh, this type of statement or this type of code. We will say key value. So we know that we have key value pairs in dictionary. So here this is how we save our key and value in dictionary, and we will say we will look through in the list. We will say for I in L. So if we will write our condition here. So after if we will write condition, we will look through it and we will add our data of key value pairs like this in the dictionary comprehension. So let's do with non-dictionary comprehension first. So for I in L, so we are looping through the list. So we will check if the number is odd. So if the number is odd, we will calculate the cube of the number, and we will append or we will add the key, means the number, and the cube as the value of the of that number. So let's do this. If I mod 2 is not equal to 0, so we are finding odd numbers, so we are doing this. If mm, mod 2 not equal to 0, and then we will say uh, we will create a dictionary, an empty dictionary here. D is equals to this, so we are creating an empty dictionary, and we will say D dot D square brackets, and we'll pass number is equals to. So we are saving I is our number, and I star star cube. So we want cube, so we are using this code, because this code returns the cube of a number. So let's print D now. So now we are having 1, and value of cube of 1 is 1. We are having a key 3, and the value of 3 cube is 27, 5 and 125, 7 and 343. So this is how we can uh, do cube of a number, cube of an odd number. Let's try this with comprehension of dictionary. So we will write just one line, print. So we will have key and value. So we can say key and value. So for I in L, we are using this state, and we will say if I mod 2 is equals to this. So we will change these two values. We will write I here, and we will write I star star 3. So this is how we can print. So now we are using odd number, so we need to write not equal to. So we are writing not equal to. This is how we are returning odd number, and we are using key as a key number as a key, and we are using cube of that number as a value. So let's print this, and now the answer is as same as before. So this is how we can do no, comprehension of dictionary. Let's see another example. Like we will say we are having a list of name names of students. So the name is Harry, Jack, and Ron, and we are having age of the student. So age is 20, 19, and 21. So uh, let's let's do this with comprehension dictionary. So we will say print dictionary. We will use key and value. So we will use a function called zip. So zip function takes two parameters. It will take both list names and age, and it will zip these two uh, list, and we will say for I j in zip names and age. So uh, it will return I will return names in names. So here we are having Harry. So for we will have Harry, Jack, and Ron. For J we will have age like 8, 20, 19, 21. So we will print name. So I and value J. So we can say this. We will have name and age, and now we can say name and age. This will be easy for reference. So let's print this. Now we are having Harry 20, Zach 19, Ron 21. So this is how we can work with dictionaries. You can try other examples on your own. So try yourself and improve your coding skills.